You are my strength when I'm weak. You are my hope when I'm lost. You are the light in my darkness. You are the center of my heart.
You are my strength when I'm weak. You are my hope when I'm lost. You are the breath in my waiting. You are the arm that holds me close.